Hello everyone. Did you know that the sun delivers more energy to Earth in 1 hour than humanity uses in an entire year? This is the power of the sun. Let me explain to you how can we harvest it and use it for our own good. Everyone knows that the solar energy made from the sun, is created like this. Sunlight shines on a solar panel, the solar panel reforms it, and then it spits out electricity from its other end. Simple, but too simple for us. Looking deeper, the process is a bit more difficult. It mostly relies on the function of the photovoltaic effect. It all starts with sunlight, which is just a large amount of photons shining down on us. As the photons make their way on Earth, they make contact with a solar panel. Solar panel is a device which is made out of photovoltaic cells. In most cases, these cells are made out of silicon, which makes the panel a semiconductor. And this semiconductor is divided into two parts, N and P, with the N part having too much electrons and P part having a shortage of them. This creates an electrical field between those two parts called the p-n junction. When the photons make contact with the atoms of silicon in a solar panel, the photovoltaic effect starts happening. The effect itself is essentially a process in which photons from the sunlight kick out and replace the electrons from an atom of silicon. These electrons are then directed by the electric field, and this creates a current, a direct current to be exact. With this explained, your next thoughts might be, how effective is this method? To be exact, one of the photovoltaic cells under the peak conditions can generate up to 27 watt-hours in 6 hours. Average solar panels have 60 photovoltaic cells, so this means that in 6 hours a singular solar panel can generate up to 1.62 kilowatt-hours of energy. With this production, a small amount of solar panels is often used to power batteries or power some of the house appliances. In larger numbers, solar panels can even power smaller cities. With the solar energy explained, we can talk about the upsides and downsides of it. The biggest upside of solar energy is that it's clean and does not require us to pollute our planet to acquire it. Next upside is definitely that the solar panels themselves require almost no maintenance, since they are designed to withstand various weather conditions. And lastly, solar panels are now much more affordable, with prices dropping over 80% in the last decade, making them accessible to many households. The biggest downside to solar energy is that its generation is limited due to day-night cycle, in which during the night solar energy cannot be produced at all. Then problems in the generation of solar energy also come with various seasons. For example, in winter, the intensity of sunlight is weaker, so very little solar energy can be produced. Lastly, one of the concerns about solar energy is that the investment into it takes a long time to pay back. Although the production of solar energy shortens the monthly bill expenses, the return of the investment approximately takes from 5 to 15 years. And with that, I thank you very much for watching. Bye!